right guys, so we are going to be installing Giraffe's Tools Pressure Washer Pro. I'm gonna probably mount it under our actual fuse box that we have here, just hoping that I don't have any wires or any water pipes running behind the concrete. I don't think so. I feel like if there was any electrical or anything like that, it would have been ran. These wires would actually have been behind the wall, not in front of it, and I wouldn't have to deal with it. I could actually run this here. But I kind of like the idea of having everything, even the vacuum below. So instead of grabbing it and then running it in front of the fuse box and then having to worry about the hose hitting this area right here, it's right underneath, tucked away. I can drill a hole here for my water spigot to connect directly here. Probably run some copper lines to the actual unit. And it just looks like it fills that gap underneath there, because really there's nothing that can go under there. And I kind of want to make room for this wall right here. We can run the cabinets right here, so it only makes sense that we have our power washer here, and then I'm going to measure right here to see if we can put our vacuum. As of right now, I'm really happy with the quality from Giraffe Tools. This is their Pressure Washer Pro, and honestly the colors on it, the orange on the bottom where your actual compressor and your motor is all underneath here, and then you have this like dark gray silver on the side to run the housing. Then you have a spot to keep your foam gun, and then I'm gonna have to try and find something. The actual gun of the power washer would go up directly here. I don't really think I need that. I might just find a way to hang it on this end over here and kind of clean it up a little bit. Majority of the specifications and stuff like that I'm gonna list over here on the left. It's gonna be so much easier when we go out in the salt water. We can wash down our boat, pull it into the driveway, don't have to pull it all the way in the garage. And then having 100 foot of that power wash hose is gonna be, I think I can go all the way down to the edge of my property and spray like my sidewalks and stuff like that. So we're gonna get to mounting it. It's super simple. Got it mounted up exactly where I wanted it. Still gives us a little bit of room. Looks clean there too. I'm pretty pumped. I would love to have it up top, but like I said, I want to drill and get some copper lines to run maybe through here and then L right into the actual power washer, so then I don't have to run it with the garage door open all the time. Then if you guys look here, we'll just tour this real quick. You got your on, your off. This is like a vent, so any like heat, any heat from the actual compressor and the system itself being down here, it could vent out through the side. I love how, I'm probably gonna have to keep greasing this right here. It's the one that actually runs the actual hose to make sure that the hose is straight and whatnot. Probably find a way to hide this a little bit better. It actually looks really good right there. I was kind of like iffy about it because I was like, oh, I really want to display it. I mean, it's pretty much displayed, but it's also too out of the way. I'm pumped on how that looks. Yep. And we could power wash all that, all the dust from the concrete from spraying it. But yeah, I'm pretty pumped on how this came out, man. This looks really good. Leveler shows level, so looks good to me. Like I said, I'm pumped here, and then I'm gonna put the vacuum on the right side. I'm gonna do one video with the actual power washer, and then when the vacuum gets here, I'll do another one. We have like garage videos too, build updates on the videos as well, so it's just gonna be a time saver. So check out Giraffe Tools, guys, if you guys want any home improvement and home tools, hand tools. If you guys want any, like, if you guys are looking for tools, definitely check out Giraffe Tools. It's new homeowner, first home, and honestly, they're making it so much easier to just get what I need to get done through the day, you know? Now that we have a power washer, I could actually wash my truck. That thing is really hurting. And then once we get the Supra and we get some of the cars out here, we can just wash them out front and not have to worry about anything. But I keep looking at it, it's that gray and that orange that just, it really pops, man. So definitely check out the next couple of videos, guys. We got a lot of garage build updates, got boat updates, and then hopefully down the line, come fall, winter, we'll get back into the car content again. So special thanks to Giraffe Tools for working with us. Man, that just looks so flush right there. I gotta stop looking at this thing because I could literally look at it all day, but I want to hook it up, put the hose on it, and then spray some, wash down my truck. It really needs it. And what a better excuse to literally use the new Giraffe Tools power washer. Super pumped on that. Thank you guys again. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next video. Later.